Right, a little bit rough and ready. We'll just directly connect a battery in there. It wants to go, doesn't it? I don't know how much charge is in this battery. It looks like it's jamming, doesn't it? Probably needs some lubrication in there. Get it all going. I really don't want to have to take it all apart. Everything seems nice and loose. It could be that the wood has expanded while it's been stored up in the loft. That's why it's jamming. Or does the drive... maybe the drive automatically reverses it. I'm assuming it just goes in one direction, but... maybe that just needs a clean to... yeah, I'll give that a spray with contact cleaner. Well, that didn't help, so we'll just check what voltage we're getting on those batteries, because although they were straight out the packet, I mean, bearing in mind we've got poor contact here anyway, that could be the problem, where it's gone rusty. .2, that's a bit low, I suppose. We ought to be up at 2.8. Yeah. Either we're not getting very good contact or these batteries are low. .45, 1.44. They're not very good, are they? We ought to be getting 1.5 out of them when they're fresh. I mean, they're not bad, but they're not absolutely fresh. Let's just try the next one in the packet. Yeah, that's what we ought to be getting. Because we've been running them for a few minutes. Let's try fresh. Put those three on the floor so we don't get confused. .6, 1.6. Okay. Turn it off first of all. Turn it on. You gonna do anything? We just can't quite get that in there without taking it up, unplugging it. Bet the batteries are falling out. Oh. Still looking good there. Come on. This is a stupid long video now, isn't it? Come on. Right. We're going to have to take that unit apart, aren't we, and have a look inside. Oh, right. Back in a minute. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Leave us a comment so I know how I'm doing. And somewhere up here there'll be some links to related playlists. Thanks again.